Flexing, flexing, try to exercise.
Alright y'all, it's your boy Texx. There's gonna be a new section on my channel. I haven't came up with a name with it. Wrenching with Texx. I'm probably gonna do that one. That sounds cool with me. Wrenching with Texx. In this part of my channel, we're gonna be working on cars, doing, you know, little stuff in here and there on my whips or other people's cars and stuff like that. Cause I got me a little side business, you know, Big Texaco Customs and Restoration. So y'all can check out my Instagram, and it has my business Instagram in the link. I mean in the description. So y'all check that out. Today we're gonna be taking apart this Turbo 400 transmission. I actually have a secret that I have told nobody about what this transmission actually goes to. But for now, I'm gonna keep y'all in the dark, and y'all just gonna be with me throughout this little journey of rebuilding this transmission, and then getting the motor to go with this transmission, and then y'all gonna see what I'm throwing it inside of. And it's just gonna be a little glimpse whenever y'all do see it. The vehicle that is going in is a secret, okay? It's really important to me, and it's just, like I said, it means a lot to me. So I'm keeping it in the dark until it's a finished masterpiece. I have the biggest vision for this truck, man. Y'all just gonna go on this little journey with me, and it's gonna take a while just because I want it to be perfect, man. I want it to be just spotless and just beautiful. You can spot this thing a million miles away. So it's gonna be a while, but as long as y'all want me with this journey, man, we're gonna have some fun, man. Y'all gonna learn some stuff. I'm gonna learn some stuff. I ain't no master mechanic, none of that like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm just a dude, got a mad love for cars. I'm all about learning things and getting new experiences. So I've never rebuilt the transmission, but I've done plenty of research, watched many videos, and like I say, we're just gonna be learning on this process along the way. So we're gonna get started on that. Niggas hate. Gotta get cousin Texx. I can't let no niggas smut my name. Shawty done fell in love with all my diamonds. But everybody. Yeah. Hey, big stepper like big meat. Got a hand crack, they JJ with a palm time. All this money on my mind, thought they got a body, yeah, yeah. Rubber band, the racks in the meat. And I got Fiji on me, she mistake my pay.
So I gotta be honest. X was for the 10.
Got the bullets aiming at your head.
Alright guys, so made a little progress today, as well as making a little mess, you know what I'm saying, as you can see. But progress, you feel me? Progress. So we got parts everywhere, stuff everywhere, but so far it's looking tragic. So that means we're really gonna have to dive into this transmission and dissect it. We're gonna do this in parts. I'm gonna take everything apart, and first I'm gonna look for a transmission rebuild kit, so that way I know, you know, exactly what pieces I'll be able to salvage. We'll just see. You gotta take it one step at a time. But for now, I'm gonna wrap it up on that one. We made it pretty far so far. I wanna look at what parts I can get first before I just get the thrashing everything and snatching bolts off and all that. For the main part, it's bad, but it's manageable. I already had the lines off of it, the hard lines to the cooler. And this thing is gonna be a monster, man. Honestly, it's gonna be a monster. So it's a journey. You gotta stick with me. You know, it's a process. You gearheads out there, y'all can help me out. Just guide me along the way. You know what I'm saying? And I'm actually about to start going to school, automotive school. I could just advance my skills, man, and my techniques, and just learn more, dive more into descriptively exactly how these systems work, and you know, the best way to go about these things, and you know, tuning them up right and all that kind of stuff, man. But like I said, it's a journey. So hopefully you guys stick with the Texx Gang, and we just make better movements, man, towards the future. Y'all check out my other videos, my motivational videos. Man, I don't do it for myself. I do it for everybody else, because I know coming up, even, you know what I'm saying, middle school, high school, whatever, people always come to me for advice. So I know for a fact that I always speak real, and I'm gonna just keep it a buck with you guys, and I don't see no reason why, and you know why not to. So we'll see how it go, but go check out those other videos, and I'm gonna just see y'all later, y'all guys later, man. Peace.
It ain't my fault.